Oh boy, do we have a lot to break down in this video today, guys. We're going to go over Nvidia stock, how it did today, my thoughts, the charts, the whole 9 yards on Nvidia stock, and we're going to break down Super Microcomputer later in the video as their stock collapsed after we got news that the DOJ is investigating them for accounting irregularities. And if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago, I think early August, Hindenburg Research had a short report come out on them. They launched a report pretty much claiming the accounting irregularities. So we're going to go over that Super Microcomputer a bit. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and join the mailing list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox for free. That's linked down below in the description box. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So overall today, guys, it was a pretty good day for the stock market. We had the S&P 500 close up 0.4%. The NASDAQ went up 0.75% as the Russell went up 0.6%. And we had the Dow also up 0.6% as the VIX pretty much broke even. And we had Nvidia stock up around 0.5%. It closed at $124 per share. And earlier in the day, we actually almost got to $130 per share. We hit $127.67 to be exact. And at some point, we were up around, let's see, percentage-wise this morning, we were up a good, I think, 2-3%, maybe more than that. Over 3% on the day this morning we were up, and then we sold off for the rest of the day, but still, we held an uptrend overall on the 5-day, 5-minute, even with this pullback. And you guys can see we actually double bottomed and we actually broke out a bit here into close. Not too bad for Nvidia. And with this move today, we took out the highs from yesterday and obviously the day before that, continuing the overall bullish momentum. And on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see we're extending the breakout above this channel, which you guys know Nvidia stock has been trading in this downwards channel for a couple of months. I think 3 months to be exact, maybe over that. And we're slowly starting to break out now. And the fact that we almost hit 130 today, that's a good sign that we're again building that momentum and we're heading in the right direction here for the bulls. Now, are we fully breaking out? Not quite yet. But I think once we actually crack over 130, 131, particularly the highs here from the end of August, right around here, that's when I think we'll fully start to break out and, dare I say, go to all-time highs from there. So, yeah, guys, we extended the gains today, and we actually pulled back like I showed you on the intraday, but that looks pretty healthy in my opinion. Healthy little pullback on the intraday. Now we're starting to consolidate a bit at $124, $123 per share, getting ready potentially for the next move up. And I'm telling you guys, 130 to 132, that's going to be a big level of resistance. So let me set my alert there right now on Nvidia. I'll put one at 130 and I'll do another one at $132 per share. There we go. So Super Microcomputer, SMCI, which by the way, this stock has been in shambles, not just today. I mean, this stock has been downtrending for months. I mean, we hit $1,200 per share back in March. And to give you guys perspective, now we're at $400 per share. Today, the stock went down 12%, and overall it's down almost 70% from that high in March, which is just unbelievable. And we're still up, I guess, from the lows on the year being about $300. So we're still up like 25% off the lows, but we're down, like I said, $700 or 700, roughly $700 or about 70%, which is substantial, right? And like I said in the intro, Hindenburg Research, they put a short report on them a couple weeks ago, right around this time period, I believe. Might have been right here. We saw a huge red candle on the 28th of August. Big dump that day, $120 per share. In one day it fell, so it had to have been on this day, right? So let's break this down a little bit more. Let me actually pull up Safari. We'll dive into this article. But oh, wait, first, don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, guys, with at least a $100 deposit. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Shameless plug here, guys. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your money. And, well, let's talk about what the heck's going on right now with Super Micro Computer, right? So, again, headline reads, DOJ reportedly opens probe into company. Let's come down here a little bit more so we can read deeper into it. So on Thursday, the Justice Department opened a probe reportedly into the company, which has been a major beneficiary of the AI boom. We all know that. And we can see here, this comes, like I said, after Hindenburg Research disclosed a short position in the company in late August. We saw the chart, the red candle. That was on the 28th of August. Big red day there. As Hindenburg, they said this late August, they identified fresh evidence of accounting manipulation, and that can never be good. I mean, Hindenburg, sure, they've been wrong, but they've been right a lot. They're pretty good at what they do over there at Hindenburg. And coming down here a little bit more, we can see Super Micro Computer, a little bit of backside or back-end info. They make computers that companies use as servers for websites, data storage, and other applications, including AI algorithms, yada, 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 yada. And coming down here, even more. Oh, my goodness, what's going on here? Following the Hindenburg's report in August, Super Micro Computer said it would not file its annual report for the fiscal year with the U.S. SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, on time, which that's never good. That's never good news. And it is not clear if the delay was related to the firm's report. I mean, guys, come on. Obviously, it was related to the firm's report. So clearly, guys, Hindenburg's got something, man. They have identified fresh evidence of accounting manipulation. Super Micro Computer, they're like, oh my goodness, what are we going to do? We have to delay our annual report for the SEC, which is just unbelievable. If I was in the stock right now, I'd be crapping my pants. Quite frankly, I would have been already out of this stock at this point. There's no way I would own this stock right now. Maybe it's all a bunch of BS. Maybe just maybe they're going to be just fine. Maybe Hindenburg's wrong. I don't know. But it seems like there's some, cooking of the books right now. Maybe some fraud going on. There's some accounting manipulation. I mean, guys, this is never good news when you're seeing something like this come out. Even if it's false, that's what you have to realize. Even if this is false, even if it's not true, maybe Super Micro is fine. Just the negative press, just all of this uncertainty that this is creating around the company, around the stock, this is not a good sign, man. Never a good sign. And I wouldn't like this if I was an investor. And again, I'd probably be dumping out right now, not telling you guys what to do. But for me, I don't know, man. I wouldn't like this at all. So we'll see how this unfolds. It's only been about a day since we got this news. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on there with SMCI. I'll do more videos, of course, as we get more insight on that. But yeah, the stock plunged 12%. And honestly, I would not be surprised if it went down even more, maybe erasing all of the gains from this year, which again, we're still up 25% on the year after being up at one point, I think hundreds of percent, 300%. So we've wiped out that entire gain almost. And now on the 3-year chart, we're looking decent on the chart, not going to lie. But again, I'd be pretty nervous buying the stock right now. It's not like one of those stocks where it's like, buy the weakness, the fundamentals look good. I mean, I don't know. This is not the type of weakness that I would want to buy into, right? What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button here on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. As always, join the mailing list. It's free. Get your free stocks for Moomoo. And check out my Patreon if you guys want to be in tune with what I'm doing in the markets. I'm posting an update every single week about my portfolio, full screenshots, transparency, all that good stuff. That's linked down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.